That's everything, huh? No weapons, no friends, no hope. Take all that away, and what's left?
She never slows down. She doesn't know why, but she knows that when she's all alone, feels like it's all coming down. She won't turn around. The shadows are long and she fears if she cries that first tear, the tears will not stop raining down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground.
Buffy will face the Master, and she will die.
Don't touch me!
You won't drown.
I don't care!
What's lost can be found. You stand in the rain. She won't make a sound. Alone
This is my
in
fight.
with herself and the fears whispering. If she stands, she'll fall down. She wants to be found. The only way out is through everything she's
I missed you.